Okay, so I'm trying to fix my mower here. It won't crank, and I'm trying to figure out for what reason why. I'm hoping that you can, based on what it's doing, can help me figure it out. As you can hear, I've got my car started up, or cranked, connected to it via jumper cables to the terminals here. I've got the red on the battery cable here, trying to work around the battery itself to eliminate that from the chain, and to eliminate that being a potential reason why it's not starting. And like you said, got everything hooked up, should have plenty of cranking power. Got the choke out. When I go to crank it, it'll hang, turn once, stick. So I don't know if this is a starter issue. This is perhaps some rust or something in the crankcase. It's preventing it from turning normally. As you can see, it's getting power to the starter. I just don't know if perhaps the starter's gone bad. A time or two it will crank normally like it's supposed to, but those are rare, and they've gotten more rare recently. So I don't know. Could be a starter going bad, I guess, but if you got any ideas, I'm all ears. Just leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know. If you need any more information about it, I'll be happy to answer your question in the comment section. And thanks in advance.